So, you got a little something right here. TJ, part of the gang now.
Pass it.
No, he doesn't pass it until he swallows every last bit of cinnamon.
I think he won.
I'm gonna redo it.
TJ won.
I'm gonna redo it.
No, he didn't win until you see every last bit of cinnamon gone, and he's still chewing.
That's a good offer.
I'm gonna redo it.
It's just a waste of cinnamon.
Funny way to do it. It shows we have nothing better to do in the summer.
Oh.
He's gleeked. You got something on the back of your tongue.
Oh.
You still did it. He passed. So did the water in your mouth actually help?
It just bunches.
Mom, get Steve.
It was a giant clot and I swallowed it.
Mom, get Steve.
No.
Yeah. No, Mom, you should do it. Let Hunter do the recording.
Here,
I'm not going to do it.
Mom, can we give him a bottle of water?
That's mine. I already drank out all those. I just refilled them and going to freeze them.
Is this good enough?
Alright then.
Are you gonna redo it?
Yeah.
Fresh bottle of water for the winner. Well, you're the winner. You're the prize. Hey, no. It's really going to be your water.
Okay, like a little bit of water in there?
It's just a tiny bit that I had.
You can't have a whole mouthful.
You seriously just spit it out?
No, I just should.
Mom's battery died and you're like, ha!
I won.
No, open your mouth, show.